Hey there, it's Mark Weiss. Today is the 29th, I believe, of July 2021, and the news is filled with a new surge of COVID. California, things appear to be, masking up again, perhaps locking down again, as more and more people become infected, whether with as serious set of consequences as before, whether as deadly as before, to be seen. But what is certain is there is another wave of fear moving across many medical groups and many facilities. So two things I want to discuss. Number one, in all probability you weren't prepared for the first wave of COVID and what it did to your business, to your practice. But now there is some time to take the lessons that you perhaps unfortunately learned from that experience and apply them to your business. Right now, money is cheap. It's interest rates are still basically at probably a 5,000-year low. Think about borrowing now. Don't wait for there to be loan assistance programs. Think about increasing your credit lines just in case you need them. Two, if you haven't done it already, think about what you can do with some of your employees to put them on flex arrangements so that you are not, in essence, stuck with massive payrolls if work slows down again. Think also about the opportunities. If other groups are running scared, if other facilities are running scared, if other facilities and groups suffer a significant drop in their income and their revenue, what opportunities does that present for you to expand, whether it's by taking their opportunities or whether it's by buying them and buying their opportunities? So think on sort of both ends of the field. Think defense, think offense. They're really both at play if there's another wave of COVID.